This is Jusandi, spelled with a J, a small boutique luxury resort on the island of Ishigaki in Japan, which is part of Okinawa Prefecture, although it's about an hour flight south of the main Okinawa island. And so this is a very small luxury resort with 5 villas only. They serve Italian fine dining for dinner. This room is called Maani. And so let's go in and take a look. So this is the entrance. So the first thing is to the right is the bath and shower facilities. Right? And over here is a tub. Sink. And shower. And then down this main hallway will lead you. Very artistic, as you can see. It was built in 2013. Very white, kind of a Mediterranean feel. Little inner courtyard. Come down. And here's the main living room. And bedroom. So the room is comfortable. It's about 60 square meters. Not crazy spacious by luxury hotel standards. This is so 4 of the 5 rooms are like this. There's one family villa, which basically is 2 of these type of rooms connected. There's a desk. There's a sitting area. And here's the bed. So each of these villa rooms has a access to a little private area that you can chill out. Forgot what he said it was called. But anyways, let's first take a look at the pool area outside. Put on my shoes. Steps leading down. Here's the pool. There's the ocean behind it. So let's go down the walkway. There is a path that leads down to overlook where the ocean is. Hopefully I can steady this camera so it's not too shaky while I walk. Another look at the pool. Sitting area. So we're going to go through a little bit of a jungle trail. Hopefully I don't lose my footing. Right. In we go. The main front desk person said it should take about a minute, but I am walking gingerly and deliberately, so maybe it'll take more than that. Bear with me. I have no idea what it's going to look like. Just arrived. But this is kind of how Ishigaki really is. It's a subtropical climate, and if there was no intervention by humans, this is kind of how it would be all around the island. You can hear the ocean. Aha! Here we are. And let's get a little closer look at the view. Okay. Strong waves today because strong wind. We're here in December, so it tends to be overcast quite a bit. You can see very rocky over there. Also some fruit on this tree. Looks like durian, but I doubt that's what it is. Anyways, yeah, this is not a place you would want to just dive in. Okay, so this is Jusandi on Ishigaki-jima, Ishigaki Island, which is part of the Okinawa Prefecture. But the sub-archipelago, they call it the Yaeyama Islands. Hope you enjoyed.